The glacial grip upon my life I cannot overcome. Brittle thoughts invade my soul, reminders of the day you left and took my self-control. All my words freeze as soon as they are spoken, and when they fall, our lives will still be broken. The summer breeze will carry all my sighs. Our dreams die to death, touched by the eyes of winter's breath. My life is cold, and yet inside I feel on fire. But my flames can't melt the snowstorm that is you. Black ice forms a treacherous path between us, paved with promises of a love that never grew. So now all my words freeze as soon as they are spoken, and when they thaw, our lives will still be broken. The summer breeze will carry